What's a day without solving a puzzle? Hi, I'm Adam Saxton, and today's Thursday, which means we're going to do our information roundup like we do every Thursday here on Guy in a Cube. Be sure to stick around after the end card because I've got a bonus for you that I thought was pretty cool. First up on the list is another content pack, and this content pack is for PlanView. So if you're using PlanView to really look at resource and management flows, then go ahead and check out this content pack. It's a curated set of a dashboard, report, and data set that you can use to gain insights into your PlanView data. Next up on the list is the weekly update for Power BI, and this update was really all about sizing and making use of your screen real estate, and also we added some items for the tiles in terms of last update status and also where the source of that tile comes from. Go ahead and check out some of the new items that are in there for Power BI. Next up on the list is a reference card that Rob Colley put out on Power Pivot Pro. He gives you permission to steal this card. So if you want a reference card that is relevant to all versions of Power Pivot as well as Power BI Desktop, mainly because it focuses a lot on DAX and data modeling, go ahead and check this out. All right, I told you there was gonna be a puzzle. So Marco Russo tweeted out the DAX puzzle. So if you're interested in DAX and data modeling and how to do certain things, go and check this out. The puzzle itself is based on Power BI Desktop, which is a free download. So you shouldn't be encumbered by anything to get up and running and try to answer the puzzle. It also mentions that there's gonna be a new puzzle every week, so that's something to look forward to. Drill baby drill. I mentioned a few weeks ago that the drill down feature was back in Power BI, and so Dustin Ryan did a post where he looks at how to use the drill down feature with different visualizations in Power BI. So if you're interested in how that works, go ahead and check it out. It's really slick to be able to look at, maybe you're at the year level, then you go to month, and then you go to week, and then even day. So it's kind of cool to interact with the data that way. And last up on my list for today, I just want to give a shout out to all the people that actually participated in the Power BI visualization contest. There were a ton of great entries, and it was really awesome to see how people can really expand what Power BI can do. And we announced the actual winners of that contest. So go ahead and check out this post to actually see who those winners are and what they actually did. So congrats to all of you, really great job, and keep pumping them out even though the contest is over. Okay, so those were my top items for this last week. I hope you found them as interesting as I did. I'd love to hear your feedback. Go ahead and leave that in the comments below and let me know what you thought. Tell me if there was something that you found that I didn't mention that you thought was interesting and want to share that out with everyone else. And as always, I've got links to all of the items in the description below. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe. Every Thursday I do an information roundup just like this, where I take a look at the items that I found interesting in the last week. Every Tuesday I take a look at a technology item where I either show how to troubleshoot something or look at how something works, and sometimes just answer questions that you may have about a given item. And really, this is about you. I want to help you be more successful in the work that you do. So go ahead and subscribe and be part of the conversation. Thanks for sticking in there, guys. I told you I had a bonus for this week, and here it is. It's actually an ambient noise site that you can go and create, or they've got different presets for different items. The one I've got that I thought was really cool was Doctor Who. So as I'm working, I can have my headphones on and it just sounds like I'm in a TARDIS going through time, which is awesome. So they've got other items there too in terms of like Harry Potter. I found one for Star Trek, and they've got other like natural noises. So go ahead and check that out. Maybe it'll help you maintain focus while you're working.